Hi, I'm April with WTI.
I have found a new, fresh way to clean one of the dirtiest places. If you're like me, the toilet brush is just as yuck as the actual toilet is. But it doesn't have to be that way anymore. HOMEBETTER has made a great quality toilet brush handle with these wonderful disposable brush heads. These scrubbers are so strong and durable. These scrubbers have just the right amount of cleaner built in to handle any tough mess. I appreciate how well they clean and leave a nice fresh scent. My absolute favorite part is the fact that they're disposable. With just the press of a button, all that yuck is gone. The stand is so very clean and modern looking, it even has a mounting option if you'd like to get it off the floor. With all of these refills, I never have to look at a dirty toilet bowl again. I would definitely recommend HOMEBETTER for your next toilet bowl brush.
And that's my point of view.